Welcome to my channel. I'm Karl Ozaeta. Today's video will be on filtering and sorting with color in Microsoft Excel. Let's get to it. Why use color to filter and sort? Using color to filter and sort data gives the user a quick visual and an easy way to organize information. How does it work? First, you'll need to apply color to a cell or entire row. Second, you can either filter by color or apply a custom sort to arrange the colors in a specific order. In front of us is a sample data listing call center employees and their employee type. We are going to apply color to the rows so that we can filter the display by only showing a specific color or arrange the colors in a specific order. Before applying colors to the rows, let's add a filter so that we can sort the employee types. To add a filter, click on any cell within the data range. Then on the top menu, select Home. If not already selected, then select Sort and Filter, then click Filter. Now that the column headings have a filter, let's sort the employee type alphabetically from A to Z and apply color to each type. Let's apply the color blue to contractors, green to new hires, and red to terminated staff. After applying colors to the rows, we can now filter by color or sort the colored rows in a specific order. Let's filter by color first. To filter by color, let's click on the employee column, then select Filter by Color. If we select the color blue, notice Excel will only display rows that are blue, which are contractors. Similarly, if we change the filter to red, then Excel will only display rows that are red, which are terminated staff. Now, if we would like to sort the colors in a specific order, for example, display all green rows, new hires at the top of the list, followed by blue rows, contractors, and all red rows, terminated staff, to display at the bottom of the list, then we will need to perform a custom sort. Before we sort the color, let's clear the filter by clicking on the employee column and then selecting Clear Filter from Employee. To perform a custom sort, let's click on the employee column heading, then select Sort by Color, then click Custom Sort. Under Column, let's change employee type to Employee. For Sort On, let's change cell values to cell color. For order, let's select green for new hires. We can leave on tap selected as we want new hires to display on top of the list. Next, let's click Add Level. For the column, let's click Employee. For Sort On, let's change it to cell color and select blue for contractors. We can leave on top selected as we want contractors to list on top after new hires. Finally, let's click on Add Level again. For the column, let's select Employees. For Sort On, let's change it to cell color and select red. Let's change on top to on bottom as we want the terminated staff to display on the bottom of the list. Then, let's click OK. Excel will arrange the data in the order we've specified. As you can see, all green rows, new hires, are displayed on the top of the list, followed by blue rows, contractors, then all red rows, terminated staff, are displayed on the bottom of the list. And that's how filtering by color and sorting by color works. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing. Thank you for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.